Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to make custom board on chess.com. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for chess.com. Okay. So now once you've done that, just go ahead and log in your account, and if you don't have one, just go ahead and create your account by clicking the sign up button. Okay, so now what you need to do is to click on the Learn option right here at the left side of your screen and click on Analysis so that we can custom our board. So now what you need to do is to click on Setup Position, and then here you can just go ahead and custom your board. So for example, you want to change this piece. So just go ahead and click on the piece that you want and click on the piece that you want to move or remove, just like that. Or if you want to, just go ahead and click on any piece. Okay, you can also do it right here. Or if you want to switch it back to normal, and you can also do that here at the block. Okay, just like that. So now that is how you do it. Okay, so you can also clear your board by clicking the delete bin here at the upper right side of your screen. Also here reset board, the flip board. So if you want to flip your board, and here white to move or black to move. So you can just go ahead and do whatever you want on your board. Okay? So that is how you custom your board on chess.com. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.